The new rules were not set entirely by the board of directors, but they surely had influence. 5 seconds. Correct answer, letter D. They. Bakit miss? Yung they, di ba, referring to directors? Yung directors, di ba, plural siya kasi maraming director. So, bakit siya mali? Actually, hindi siya sa directors tumutukoy. Ang tutukuyin niya dapat ay yung board. Yung of directors dito, prepositional phrase lang siya na naka-attach dun sa board, giving details, additional details kung anong board ba yung tinutukoy. Pero ang subject talaga natin dito ay yung board. And there is only one board. We view them as a single unit here na nagkaroon ng influensya sa pagsiset ng rules na yun. Kaya again, isa na naman tong kaso ng pronoun antecedent mismatch. Hindi nagmamatch yung ginamit natin na pronoun doon sa tinutukoy niya or nire-refer niya na noun. In this case, dapat yung they, nagre-refer siya sa board, which is singular. So, dapat ang gagamitin natin instead na they ay it. So, the sentence should be, the new rules were not set entirely by the board of directors, but it surely had influence.